And it's Grandma and Grandpa's house.
This is Alan. Tell us what you're doing, Alan.
Listening to music.
You're what?
Listening to music.
What music?
Stuff.
What do you listen to your music on? Can you give us one of your smiles? Look at those dimples, folks. Show us your teeth.
He doesn't like to show us.
What's your favorite thing about Thanksgiving?
I don't know. Family. The food.
Cool. Here is Miss Maya arranging books. Maya, what do you like about Thanksgiving?
That everybody gets to come to Thanksgiving.
Everybody like,
My family.
yeah?
In your family.
And what are you doing here?
I'm setting up a set so I can read a book without holding it.
Awesome.
She's
All right.
librarian.